Hi, I'm Mike Lombardo, General Sales Manager of Empire Pre-Owned Superstore in Swansea.
And I am Jerry Castillo, the Assistant Manager in the Collision Center. We're a sister store of Empire Hyundai and Empire Ford, offering sales, service, and body shop work in a personalized environment.
We have over 500 pre-owned vehicles to choose from, many of them one owner, low miles, and like new condition. Plus, we have a select hard-to-find cars, trucks, SUVs, including luxury line.
We also have a top-of-the-line service center and collision center. We offer free appraisals for our collision center and free multi-point inspections for our service center.
People come from all over southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island to get the one-on-one attention that we deliver.
Come visit our newly renovated state-of-the-art dealership and ask for me, Jerry Castillo.
Or me, Michael Lombardo.
We're here to make your experience a great one.
And right now we're offering $500 off the price of any used vehicle in stock. Be sure to come by Empire Pre-Owned Superstore and Collision Center at 2153 GAR Highway in Swansea. Or look us up online at EmpirePre-OwnedSuperStore.com. And remember, if you bought elsewhere, you paid thousands